Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in Messages or any other app which will allow your device to show the keyboard. And now all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, no worries, three dots icon and the settings should appear right here. So let's enter the settings and tap on languages and types. And as you can see here, we've got only English applied. This is the list of all previously added languages. So let's tap on Manage Input Languages. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the two different sections of the languages. Here we've got downloaded ones, so all you have to do in order to apply it is to simply tap on the switcher. And under this section, we've got the section with the available languages, which are right now not downloaded, but no worries. All you have to do is to simply tap on this icon, and after downloading, your device will immediately apply them. So let me pick something from this list, and let me pick maybe Armenian. All you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. As you can see right now, it is active, and after getting back, you can see that it has been immediately applied to this list. So we've got also another option here, an additional option, which is language switching method. After tapping on it, you can see that we've got three different options to choose. We've got the language key, spacebar swipe, and both of them. And I will pick this option in order to show you how they work. So now we can go back to the keyboard. And the only difference here is actually this language key, so this globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the one I've applied. So let me tap on it again and again English. And of course you can use the spacebar swipe. All you have to do is to simply, obviously, swipe on the spacebar. And as you can see, it's quite easy in this device. You can change the language quickly. So now because I've just shown you how to add the language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not really need like 2 or 3 or 4 different languages added. So let's enter the settings again. Here we've got the languages and types, and we have to again enter Manage Input Languages option. And all you have to do right now is to simply tap on the switcher here, which will disable the language. As you can see, it immediately disappears from this list. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all, we do not have the language key. And of course, the spacebar swipe did not work, which means that we've got only one language applied. So actually, this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.